Hey, I visited New York City this past 4th of July and planned on visiting the Harry Potter store. In order to get inside, you must get to the store early and scan a QR code to hold a spot in the virtual line. You will receive a link from a text message that shows a number indicating your current spot. We arrived at the store around 10 a.m. on a Sunday, and we are around the 300th spot in line. You can then go about your day exploring the city until you get another text message indicating that you could get inside the store. We asked the attendant at the storefront to see if we could come back at a later time than when the virtual line indicated, and she said yes. I'm not sure if this would be allowed with other attendants, but it's worth a shot if you want a little bit more flexibility to your day. The website, harrypotterstore.com, has all this information on it, and as indicated here, the store opens at 7 a.m. for you to start scanning your QR code, so be sure to get there early to beat the crowd. That's all that needs to be done. Let me know if you found this helpful in the comment section below. Thanks.